Day 11. That's like not a very happy cloud, but it looks like it's trying to go away. The sky is trying to get clear, and the clouds are just above the mountain. It's so cool. It rained off and on last night, but I'm dry. Yay, I gotta start breakfast. I just waited out about a half-hour rainstorm with the plastic in my umbrella. I just did some jumping jacks, and now the sun is finally coming out. That's Mount Micah right in front of me. It's still, the top is in the clouds, but I'm not going to the top today. We're going part way up. I have about 12 miles today. This is day 11. And thank God that horrible rain is going away. So it should be better today. But you can see there's weather happening up there. There's weather happening. So it might be snow or just might be wet. The good news is there'll be water. So it's nice to know there'll be water in all the little puddles. And these poor cactus. Grass shack, 9 miles. Perfect. Grass shack, 9.7. That's weird. There is trying really hard to not be terrible. It's probably 45 with the wind. The sun is right there. Hoorah. All right, day 11. Getting closer to the ascent, and it's only not even 11 o'clock yet, so dry out. My tent footprint is wet. Everything else is dry though. Thankfully I was able to dry it before it started raining on me. Huge. Clouds have lifted over Mount Micah. Headed that way, northbound on the Arizona Trail. And it's beautiful out. The sun is in and out of the clouds. Right now it's behind the clouds, so it's chillier.
Yeah, well, earlier we were going to wimp out, but our friend Bill here, he said, no, let's just go. It'll be okay.